This video covers setting up folders and storing and creating files in your OneDrive for Business online storage space. This is your personal online storage space that you are automatically given as a student at KU. This space is different than Microsoft's OneDrive. To get to your OneDrive for Business storage, you will log in at myCommunity.ku.edu with your KU Online ID and password. You can then click on the app launcher and choose OneDrive. Now that you are in your main online personal storage space, you can create folders by clicking New and choosing Folder. Give the folder a name and click OK. If you need to rename a folder, you can check the field to the left of the folder and select Rename. Once you've created your first folder, you can click to open and start creating subfolders. Once you have some basic folders set up and you are ready to upload documents from your course, you can do so in a few ways. If the file is saved on your computer, you can click Upload and browse your machine for the file. Or you could simply drag and drop the file onto the browser to upload it. Last, you can use the Sync option, which will download the Microsoft Sync client and allow you to see your folders and files on your local machine. Once you have chosen the Sync client and have gone through the setup, you'll see OneDrive, the University of Kansas, in your computer's file browser. Once you can see the folders, you can drag documents into them or copy and paste documents into the folders. Finally, you can save directly to OneDrive for Business from your browser or computer. The Sync option is also how you can download your files when you leave the university. You can access your files stored in OneDrive for Business from any internet browser using Microsoft's mobile apps or using your computer's file browser or desktop software when you first sync. You can locate files stored in your OneDrive for Business personal online storage space using the OneDrive app. To open and edit Word docs, Excel workbooks, and so on, you'll have to download and sign in to the corresponding Microsoft app. Please check the KU Knowledgebase for the most up-to-date instructions at knowledgebase.ku.edu and search for myCommunity Mobile Access. From any internet browser, you can log in at mycommunity.ku.edu. Then click on the app launcher and choose OneDrive to go to your OneDrive for Business storage. To view your online files locally, you'll need to have the OneDrive application on your computer. This may already be installed on computers with Office 2016 software. Please check the KU Knowledgebase for the most up-to-date instructions at knowledgebase.ku.edu. When you are finished, you'll see OneDrive, the University of Kansas, as an option in your computer's file browser, and you'll be able to save to OneDrive for Business from your Office software. If you need additional guidance in using myCommunity, OneDrive for Business, or Office 365, you can find support articles at knowledgebase.ku.edu or contact the KU IT Customer Service Center at 785-864-8080 or itcsc@ku.edu.